Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Roberta and I just do beauty videos. So this one is going to be my current favorites. I haven't done one in a while and I just wanted to update you on products that I've been loving, things that have been working out for me, and why they're so amazing and why you should add them to your collection as well. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is skincare. I have two items and they're actually in the same skincare line. They're the Ole Henriksen Balance line, and these are great just because they smell really natural and they're just like spa-like. I think that they're high quality. They are a little bit pricey, but I think they're totally worth it and they work amazing. This is a Counterbalance Oil Control hydrator, and this is awesome because I do have oily skin, especially in my T-zone, and this helps a lot with that, but it also doesn't leave my face feeling greasy or cakey or anything like that. And even though it's a moisturizer, it's not a lotion, so it's not going to give you that heaviness feeling, and makeup on top of it, a primer applies perfectly, so I would highly recommend this. A lot of moisturizers aren't really stand out in my mind. Some of them just kind of like whatever, but this product is great. The other one that's in that line is Find Your Own Balance Oil Control Cleanser. This is what it looks like, and it's just a squeeze tube out for the amount, and you can use up all the product. A little goes a long way when you just put it on your face that's a little bit wet and damp, and then it just creates a really nice lather and it foams up, which I love. I love anything that foams or anything that has a really nice lather to it, especially for face cleansers, and it makes my face feel refreshed and cleaned once I am done using it. The next is, I guess you could say, like lifestyle items. I'm not really sure what category you'd put them in, but there are two books, and one of them is Oprah Winfrey because she is everything. Can I get an amen to that? She's amazing. I love her magazine. I get it, like, I think it comes out almost twice a month. It's kind of OD, but she's Oprah, so she can do whatever she wants, and this is What I Know for Sure. I've been reading it really slowly just because I want to soak in all of the information that she gives to us within it, and it has little sections within it, and I really love this. I asked for it for Christmas and I got it, so I'm so excited that I am able to read her book. I know she has a couple more, but she's an amazing author, and I know she's been through a lot in her life, so I think that I'll definitely find this as more of like, I just think that she'll give me a lot of guidance, and also I'll take a lot away from what she has to say, so super excited about that. The next one is a journal, and journals are kind of weird once you think about them, but they're actually super therapeutic in a way, and it's basically, I just think, so relaxing and so calming as well, and it helps me if I want to vent, if I'm feeling a certain way, that I can just like let loose and write what I'm feeling, and it just makes me feel a lot better at the end of the day to get things off my chest and stuff like that. And this is a Moleskine. It has this wraparound band, which I really like about it, if you have anything inside here that you just want to keep safe. And inside it looks like this. It's lined. As you can tell, I've been writing a lot. I basically have been writing since at the beginning of the new year, and I'm making it a point to write at least like a couple times a week because I find it very important, whether it's about traveling, about love, about like living, about my work, about anything. I just put it in here, and I just think that it's amazing to be able to have a place where you feel it's safe, but also one where you don't have to like go and vent to a friend. You can just write it all here, and it's amazing. I just love it. The next thing is food, because why not? And right now is Girl Scout season, so I'm super excited because they've been selling cookies for the past month, and I think they're going to sell them for the next month. I know Dunkin' Donuts is making their own Girl Scout cookie drink or something, or coffee or something, cappuccino, but my favorite are peanut butter patties, and these I already worked my way through a little bit, and I also have peanut butter sandwiches, but I love Girl Scout cookies. They're amazing. Highly recommend them if you haven't had them. I mean, you probably live under a rock or in a different country if you haven't tried them before, but peanut butter patties are the shit. They have peanut butter inside like this, and then they have the chocolate coating outside. And now getting into makeup, one of my favorite parts. I do have some foundation, face, and lip products. So the first one is this CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous, and I have it in 305. This is what I'm wearing today. I love it a lot. It works. It covers, I wouldn't say it's full coverage, I'd say it's like light to medium coverage, more on the lighter side, which I think is more breathable, at least for me. It says fresh oil complexion, oil-free foundation, and I guess this is the new packaging, and it's in golden tan. I love it. It's drugstore, it's convenient, it's cheap, you can get it, it's affordable, and that's why I would recommend this. I love the consistency. It says one simple step for a flawless look, natural look that lasts all day. This formula blends easily to even skin tone and reduces shine all day. Oil-free, won't clog pores, suitable for all skin types, and lasts all day long, which I completely agree with on all the levels. The next thing is something that I'm wearing as well today, and it is this lip gloss. It's so pretty. I just love it. It smells like roasted hazelnuts, which is amazing, and it is a lip gloss in Luminosity, and this is by Marabella, and it looks like this. It's super pretty. I love it. It gives like a little like reflective of bronze and rose to it, so I think it's great for a topper. It's great standalone, and it's not super sticky where like when you go like that it gets stringy. It just works like wonders. This is a Tarte one, and this, I'm sure you guys have seen this in a ton of videos lately because last year it was part of the Sephora birthday gift. So it is this, and it's in Party. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. It has this like very like pattern that looks like a pathway, and when I swatch it, this is what it looks like. And I don't know if you can see that too well. This is a swatch. It's a super pretty, like natural, I think, pink, and I love it. It has a little bit of sheen to it as well. I would highly recommend their blushes. They're Amazonian 12-hour clay blushes, which are these. They last such a long time. They're like my go-to holy grail blushes. And especially if you're going to spend a little bit more money on it, you want to make sure that you get a good product that lasts long and has the longevity. So I would recommend any of the Tarte blushes, honestly. They're bomb. The next thing is this Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. It looks like this. Essence is so cheap at the drugstore, which is why I figured I would try it out. I've seen it recommended through multiple people, and this is what it looks like. It's a super pretty highlighter, and as you can see, it has that sheen to it, and I used to be obsessed with the Champagne Pop by Jaclyn Hill and Becca Cosmetics, but this is actually a really nice alternative because it's a natural look. So you see how it has that natural sheen. It's nothing too over the top or anything like that, and swatched like that, it's gorgeous. So I would highly recommend this. I think it's great. It does have more of a yellow tone glow to it, so if you like something that's a little bit more pink, you might not like this, but I would still try it out because obviously highlighters look different on each person, so just give it a shot. Love it, and it's only a few bucks, so it's not going to break the bank for you at the drugstore. And the last thing is a palette, and this is one of my favorite palettes. As you can tell, it's gotten a lot of wear and tear because packaging is all like beat up, and when I open it, there are a lot of colors used up. So as you can tell, which ones are my favorites. I love this nude. Nude is great. I use this all over the lid all the time. And cream and light pink. Those are my favorite. I use the taupe usually within my crease. It's a nice transition color, and I like the gold as well. So these are this palette. This is my go-to. I usually use it almost every day, even with travel, because as you can see, it's super slim and the packaging won't break. I've had other palettes break and shatter on me. This one actually stays put. I think the only one that shattered is the black because there's no way I would use that much black already. But I would recommend this, and I love the Lorac formula. I can swatch a couple for you. So let me swatch Gold, Champagne, So these are some of them swatched. So these are some of them swatched. This is Pewter Gold and Champagne. As you can tell, it's only like one swipe with no primer, and the pigmentation is great. I love Lorac formula. I think it's great and it works. And with primer it stays even longer, of course. So I would definitely recommend this palette. It's a staple of mine. I have other palettes of theirs as well, but this is the one that I think really gets the most love from me. Hey guys, so I wanted to give you a giveaway. So you have to be 16 years or older with your parents' permission if you're younger than that. And also you have to live within the United States. Sorry about that, international. And you have to like and comment this video, be a subscriber, and you have to follow me on Instagram. My handle is Roberta L. Day, and I will put it on the screen here and also link it down below. But all you have to do is follow me on that, and then in the comments you can comment your Instagram handle, and then so I can see your page and follow you and let you know that you won. I will DM you through Instagram, so check out there. This giveaway is open from now until May 15th. Then once that closes, I'll ship it out to you right away. So I'm just going to quickly get into the products that I am going to include. First product is this one. It's the Physicians Formula, and this is really nice. It's a bronze booster, highlight, and contour palette, and it comes with 3 colors, and it shows you exactly how to contour on the back, which is pretty cool in case you're a beginner and want to know more about that. And I just think it's really nice. It comes in the shimmer strobing, so it is going to have a little bit of glitter. I would personally maybe use this a little bit of a contour and then use this as highlight, and this is highlight, maybe a little bit of a shimmery blush if you're into that. And the next thing is this lip suede, and it's a matte velvet finish. It looks like this. It's from Flower of Beauty, and it's in Coral Floral. Thought it would be fun just because springtime is coming up, and by the time you guys get this, it will be spring/summer. The next thing is this NYX Angel Veil, and I've heard so many things about this primer, and it is a skin perfecting primer base, and it's obviously unopened, brand new. I'm just excited for you guys to get this and try it out. I just love primers and trying new ones out, so I thought this would be great, and you don't have to have a certain skin type or anything like that to just use a nice primer. So that would be the second item that's the third item that's included. And then the next one is also a primer. It's the Ulta Tinted Eye Primer, and I'm not sure if it's a satin blush, so it's more of a pinky nude color, but I think that it's going to be really good, and just an eye primer is such a staple to have. You can always use that contour kit for a little bit of eyeshadow if you'd like. And the last thing is this Juice Beauty. It is a Stem Cellular CC cream, and it's a natural glow, and it's just a little small sample size. Any suggestions or video ideas that you would like to see me film in the future, just let me know below. That would be greatly appreciated. And that's about it. I'll see you guys later. Have a good one. Bye. Video a day. Blah. Why can't I speak? Okay, let me see. Hey guys.